Ijaw people are now expanding into Igbo territories. The last time, Ijaw people went to Oguta and Egbema in Imo State. Oguta and Egbema are Igbo-speaking communities. They are Igbo people in ancestry. Ijaw people are saying that Oguta people and Egbema people are Ijaw people. That they went there to strengthen unity between them. This is what Ijaw people said in their platform. IYC Eastern Zone visits Egbema and Oguta to strengthen unity across Ijaw land. The leadership of the Ijaw Youth Council, IYC Eastern Zone, under the able chairmanship of Comrade Prince Datolu Sukubo, earlier today embarked on a significant visit to Egbema and Oguta, two important communities situated in the Ohaji Egbema Oguta local government area of Imo State. The visit, which drew the attention of stakeholders and community leaders, underscored the zone's unwavering commitment to foster solidarity, promoting unity, and deepening the enduring bond of brotherhood across the length and breadth of Ijaw land. According to the leadership, the Eastern Zone IYC recognizes the central role of peace, cooperation, and mutual understanding in advancing the collective aspirations of the Ijaw nation. The gesture of reaching out to Egbema and Oguta communities demonstrates the council's proactive steps towards strengthening ties among Ijaw communities spread across the Niger Delta region. These people are just expansionists. They are not there for anything unity. They said that they are strengthening peace amongst Ijaw nation. Is Oguta and Egbema part of Ijaw people? Egbema in Imo State are Igbo-speaking people. Now Igbo-speaking community they be. Oguta people in that same Imo State are Igbo people. Oguta people migrated from Okwane. Some people in that Oguta are descendants of Eze Chime. So many Oguta people migrated from Abo. So many of them migrated from my community Ogume in Okwane land. If you go Oguta today, so many of them go tell you say they migrated from Ogume. So how come are Oguta people now Ijaw people? There is nothing in Ijaw in Oguta ancestry. There is nothing in Ijaw in Egbema ancestry. If you go for internet now, you go see all these Ijaw people. They write different things. They claim say na them. Now I found Egbema. Say Egbema for Imo State. Now Ijaw descendant. Say Egbema for this place. Now Ijaw descendant. Writing different kind of lies to claim people. Now, what are the leaders of Oguta people and Egbema people doing about it? Instead, they accepted those Ijaw people warmly. They don't know the mission of all these Ijaw people. Ijaw people have been claiming Igbo communities in Rivers State, claiming that they own all those places. Place where they say they know they speak their language, or they know they speak Ijaw language for that place. Now Igbo they speak for them. Ijaw people will be claiming those places, saying that they own those places. What did the leaders of Oguta people and Egbema people in Imo State do? They welcome these Ijaw people. They don't know say these Ijaw people get agenda. Oguta in Imo State have crude oil. They get crude oil well for their land. Egbema people in Imo State, they get crude oil wells in their land. These two communities are Igbo-speaking communities. Now those Ijaw people, they go stretch hand. They talk say we are strengthening the peace and unity in Ijaw nation. Is Oguta and Egbema part of Ijaw nation? No. Ijaw people are claiming Opobo. Opobo, na Ijaw people they be. Opobo people are Ijaw people. They are not Igbo people. Even when the language of Opobo na Igbo language. The royal family in Opobo kingdom are Igbo people. The royal family go tell you say we are Igbo people. The founder of Opobo is an Igbo man. But today, Ijaw people are everywhere propagating that they own Opobo, that Opobo is Ijaw land. Anywhere where Ijaw people just see water, boom, they go to Niger territory. If they see water for here, Niger. If they see water for here, Niger. The worst part of it is that Ijaw people don't even have one language. All these communities where they those riverine areas where Ijaw people they claim say these people na Ijaw people, these people na Ijaw people. They don't speak the same language. They don't understand each other. If they meet, they speak English language. Imagine me and you and brother, but English we they speak. Those Ijaw communities where they say Ijaw, they are not, they understand each other. They don't speak the same language. Waiting this Ijaw expansionists they do be say they just want to get more territories. They want to conquer more places. If to say now in the past now we dey now, therefore don't they invade all those places. But now because of say we dey for camera world now. Now this is not gonna make it come be like say they just want to expand through unity. Did Oguta people tell Ijaw people that they are having problems? No. Did Egbema people tell these Ijaw people that they are having problems? No. Waiting Ijaw people fine go there. The leaders of Oguta people and Egbema people should be very careful. Now so these Ijaw people see they claim say now then get to Ndone people. Say Ndone people na Ijaw people. Say Ndone territory na Ijaw territory. Can you imagine? Some people go to say, what is Ohanese Ndigbo doing about it? Waiting the indigenous people for the community they do about it before you go start to talk about Ohanese Ndigbo. As Benin people they marginalize the banker people for those states. You want make Ohanese Ndigbo come they speak up when the banker people they deny say they not be Igbo people. The reason why Ohanese Ndigbo intervene for Ibanke Matana because Ibanke people embrace their Igbo identity. They started speaking of saying that they are Igbo people. Now that name Igbo save Ibanke people because Ibanke people are Igbo people. But because of identity crisis, so many of them they thought say we are not Igbo, so we are not Igbo. So how do you expect Ohanese Ndigbo to speak up for people that are denying that they are not one people with them? So now so this Oguta and Egbema matter be so. People from Oguta and Egbema should deny these Ijaw people, telling them that we don't know you people, we are not one people with you. Stop expanding into our territories. Now that time Ohanese Ndigbo go speak up. Just like Asokwane and the Kalande now, so many of them say we are not Igbo people. If something could happen for them, you can't say Ohanese Ndigbo, speak up for them. You know they happen like that. And that is why we Okwane people are out here telling the world that we are Igbo people. Ohanese Ndigbo should also be playing their role. No way to make all those people from Oguta and Egbema speak up before you speak up for them. Speak up for them. Even if some Igbo people for Southside they talk say they not be Igbo, they speak up for them. Some of the way they talk say they not be Igbo people. Now politics, waiting their elders tell them. Effects of the genocide against the Igbos, marginalization and all those things, now make them they talk say they not be Igbo people. The Southeast is being marginalized. So for these people not to be marginalized like the Southeast, they go to say they not be Igbo people. Can they teach that thing to their children? Even as they see that South, they are still being marginalized. So Ohanese Ndigbo, make una they do na best. Oguta for Imo State get crude oil. Now that crude oil, this is Ijaw people ID. Egbema for Imo State get crude oil. Now that crude oil their ID. We Igbo should stand up. Make we not talk say, na Egbema people na then know now. Oguta people na then know now. No be then know. Now we know because if we lose Oguta and Egbema to Ijaw people now, we Igbos are losing territories. Just know say we don't lose that territory. And we know what makes such a thing happen. One of the problems we are having in Igbo land is na then know now, Wamakwa. When it comes to your brother, there's nothing like Yamakwa. Ayin chabu one what na say na wabu hondibo, wabu one. And that is why we are expected to be speaking up for every Igbo region in this country. Oguta people should rise up and say no to Ijaw expansionists. Egbema people should rise up and say no to Ijaw expansionists. With the Igbo unification movement, we will never sit back and watch these Ijaw people expand into Igbo territories, Igbo bofu, and there's no agenda from anybody that can divide us. Isheware.